Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition. Oh man, why such a complicated name, Insta360? It's like I'm anointing every 360 camera out there. Jokes aside, the Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition is an evolved 360 camera that's already dominating the market with its performance, and everyone seems pretty happy with it. On the other hand, another prominent brand, GoPro, tried to put its footprints into the 360 camera world with GoPro Max. In today's video, we're going to compare the Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition with the GoPro Max to find out which one should you go for. So, without further ado, let's jump in. So, the One RS 1-inch 360 edition is a modular camera, and you might already know that. It contains 4 parts: a plastic mounting bracket, a battery brick, a 1.3-inch touchscreen, and on top of them, a dual 1-inch CMOS sensor. Altogether, they become a whole new 360 camera, and probably the best one so far. The touchscreen is pretty smooth and colorful, which can help you see what you're shooting as well as navigate the options. It even comes with a sturdy build quality and provides a comfortable grip when you hold it. On the other hand, the GoPro Max is a non-modular 360 action camera. Being compact in size, it can easily slide into your backpack or pocket. For sleek and elegant design, the Max is a matte rubberized body. The touch-sensitive LCD display is 1.7-inch, which is responsive and bright. There's a battery flap too, where you will not find only the battery but also the microSD card slot and USB-C port. In terms of waterproofing, the One RS 1-inch 360 edition comes with an IPX3 rating, which is a bit of a downgrade considering its price, whereas the GoPro Max is built tough and can submerge into the water for up to 16 feet. Now let's talk about the camera system. As we mentioned before, the One RS 1-inch 360 edition has a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which even you can tell from its name already. This camera has the ability to shoot 6K 360-degree videos at 30 FPS. On the other side, the GoPro Max boasts a 1x2.3-inch CMOS sensor, which is much smaller than the 1-inch sensor that One RS 1-inch 360 edition has. However, the GoPro Max can let you record 5.6K 360-degree videos at 30 FPS. So here, the One RS 1-inch 360 edition has the advantage of having a larger sensor because it will give you more detail, vivid color, lesser noise, and most importantly, a better low-light performance. As for the still images, the One RS 1-inch 360 edition features a 21-megapixel camera, whereas the GoPro Max has a 16.6-megapixel camera, and both of these cameras do a great job while capturing photos. Coming to the features, to provide buttery smooth videos, the One RS 1-inch 360 edition uses the flow state stabilization. On the other hand, the GoPro Max has Hypersmooth to ensure stability, and GoPro never disappoints its users when it's all about stability. Both Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition and GoPro Max have the horizon lock feature, allowing you to keep the horizon level even if you don't have any gimbal. What makes the One RS 1-inch 360 edition stand out from the two cameras is its capability to shoot drone-like footage. By combining the Insta360 selfie stick, you can get aerial-like footage effortlessly. You can even reframe your videos to make your content way more creative with both cameras. But how long can this survive while shooting? The One RS 1-inch 360 edition is equipped with a 1350 mAh battery, which can ensure up to 60 minutes of playback time, whereas the GoPro Max is a 1600 mAh battery, meaning it can deliver more playback time than the One RS 1-inch 360 edition. As for the price, the One RS 1-inch 360 edition is a bit expensive, which can be bought at a $799.99 price tag. On the other hand, the GoPro Max is available at $499.99. In short, GoPro Max provides almost similar features at a lesser price, which is not bad at all. But we can surely say that the Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition performs better than the GoPro Max because it has a 1-inch CMOS sensor. In terms of battery life though, it falls behind the GoPro Max. Otherwise, both cameras can get your job done. What do you think? Is Insta360 One RS 1-inch 360 edition worth paying $800? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.